Okay, so next the subsection, permissible. No, I apologize. It's subsection, permissible methods of giving gifts on Shabbos. Right. Even when a gift is not needed for the purpose of the mitzvah, it can be awarded if the transfer ownership does not take place on Shabbos. This can be accomplished in one of two ways. So now, even as, in examples above, where we say if he needs this talis gadol in order to pray, okay, that's for the mitzvah, and he needs it, right? But sometimes it is you can give a gift even if a person does not need it on Shabbos, right? But the transfer of ownership must be before Shabbos, meaning the delivery is going to be on Shabbos, but a transfer of ownership before Shabbos. Okay, one of two ways. Number one, the donor should hand the gift to the third party who is not member of his own household before Shabbos, right? It's all any day before Shabbos, and have this party lift 3 tefachim. Tefach is a feast, like 3 inches, 3.5 inches, right? 3 tefachim from the ground. From the ground, I mean, if the item was laying on a table, so you have to pick up like 3 tefachim above the table, and same with other things. Okay, so this is kinyan, right? Right before Shabbos, and have party lift the 3 tefachim from the ground with intention, very important, to acquire it on behalf of the recipient. So meaning what? So before we continue, so meaning that you need the person, third party. So in this case, he said preferably not his family member, right? And this person is going to be shaliach. So shaliach, so the one who is going to be like a extension of my hand in some sense. So I want to give to somebody, but I can appoint the messenger for me, right? To deliver, right? So okay, so he can pick it up, taken from my hand, for example. Pick up like 3 tefachim above the ground or above the table, and his intention to acquire on behalf of recipient. So now I apologize, I did not say it correctly. He's not my representative. He's actually representative of the recipient. I apologize. He's representative of recipient, but recipient never appointed him. I just appointed him. Right, but he was appointed for the benefit of the recipient. The recipient automatically acquires the possession at the time, although unaware of the fact. So as soon as this person, this third party, lifts this item for the recipient. The recipient is the person whom we want to give a gift. So he automatically acquires, even though he does not, he's not aware of the fact. So, like, how can he be owner of something if he does not know? That's very simple. In Halacha, it says that if our action would be beneficial for the other party, meaning if he would find out that that's what we want to do on his behalf, he would be very happy and love us very, very much because of that. So that's it's automatically, like, even without his knowledge, even without consulting him, whatever I do is good for him, right? I'm getting him a gift. Okay. The donor may then retrieve the article from the third party. So first he gives to third party. Third party, he represents recipient. Now we can take it back. So now it belongs to recipient 100%. Right? Now the donor can take this article from the third party and hand it to recipient who already owns it on Shabbos. Right? If it's his, for example, he left something in my house on Wednesday. So he came to learn with me on Wednesday. He left some things, and now I can, let's say we have Erev, and I brought him to the shul. What's the problem? Right? There is no problem. It's his. It's his. It's not. There is no transaction. So same is here. Since the transaction was before Shabbos on Friday, so he's the owner of the thing, right? So it doesn't matter who is going to deliver. I'm going to deliver, or this third party is going to deliver. There is no problem. So I can deliver as well, because it's his. It's already his, right? Number 2, one may hand the gift to the intended recipient on Shabbos with instruction that the recipient bear in mind not to take a title until after Shabbos. So I mean, it's a little more simplified, but it's also work, right? What do you give it to him, but you say, look, only after Shabbos it's going to be yours. So until after Shabbos, have in mind, do not acquire it. Okay. I think if he say, okay, I agree, or something, that's enough. I think even if he's going to forget, even if he's going to forget to consciously acquire it on after Shabbos, it does not matter. I think. So I mean, he will acquisition, meaning he's going to lift it, but maybe it's not even necessary because it's in his premises. Okay.